Hi, this is Cheer again with CDV Random Shots. I hope everyone is having a great day. So this is a throwback video. This is just a 5 minute and 51 second video. So this was the recap, not a recap though, but a glimpse of our trip last Holy Week. This was at the Seagull Mountain Resort, SeaClouds Mountain Haven Resort, and then the New Year's Peak Mountain Resort. So I'm gonna put all the links of the trips that we had last Holy Week in the description below. I hope you guys will watch them. So again, this is just almost 6 minute video, doing a drone shot with Seagull Mountain Resort, SeaClouds, and then the New Year's Peak Mountain Resort. So again, I hope everyone is having a great day. Just wanted to say hi. Stay safe. God bless. See ya. Hi, before I let you go, I just wanted to let you know that I also put the contact information of these mountain resorts in the description below, just in case you might consider visiting these places. You can contact them first and then book your stay with them, or if you're planning to just have a day tour, and at least you can contact them first to see what they can offer. So again, I hope I earned your subscription today. I will see you in the next videos, and stay safe. God bless.